don't you also think that the time has come, to start addressing emotions? You know, for example, let's say we keep crying about, that victim mode में रहते हैं ये, victim mode में रहते हैं ये. But the path to be free of victim mode is to go through victim mode. So, for example, let's say if you are you have burn injuries, then first you will go to a hospital. The doctor will look at you, they will tell you ये degree के burns हैं. Then the process of recovery and healing will begin. While that's going on, you are called what? A burn victim, right? Why don't we do that with emotions? So if some shit has happened in our lives, just because it's invisible, which makes me doubt our intelligence as a whole, you know, कि चलो चलो move on, it's okay, सबके साथ होता है. If everybody is getting burnt, let's say, if everybody is getting burnt in the world, तो सबके साथ होता है, great, everybody के साथ हो रहा है, ठीक है. But will you like jump the process? Won't you be told that go through this, get through the victim mode, get to the other side, which is recovery and healing, then move to rest, and the doctor tells you, please rest, complete bed rest, and that is taken with like पत्थर का लकीर कि भैया खुद ब्रह्मा जी आके ना उन्होंने आपको ये बताया है कि ये करना है, ठीक है. But somehow when it comes to looking within and dealing with your emotions which are screaming out, तब अगर उनके बारे में बात करो या कुछ है, then इतने labels हैं बॉस. I find that the most unintelligent way of living. The most. And the fun bit is that if we start to deal with our emotions, a lot of external stuff, even burns, even any kind of injuries, will maybe not happen. Why? Because आपका दिमाग जब ठीक होता है तो आप ज़्यादा माइंडफुल रहते हो. You are more aware of your surroundings, what's happening. You're more aware of even others. कि यार ऐसा लग रहा है ये ठीक नहीं है. Empathy rises, compassion rises. Why is nobody understanding this? Well, I have, and for the longest time, of course, I was told that this is not how to live, this is not how we are supposed to live, but that's the only way I'm going to live, you know because it's held me in good stead, this thing of not listening to anybody, suffering a lot, being labeled a lot, yet following my voice. यार ठीक नहीं लग रहा मुझे, चाहे नौकरी हो, रिलेशनशिप हो, कुछ भी हो, बॉस ठीक नहीं लग रहा, मैं नहीं करूँगी. What am I doing here? And what can I maybe suggest to some of you who are at the edge? Listen to yourself. Whatever it takes, listen to yourself. Works.